All the animals in the jungle had a king. The birds were jealous. They wanted a king too. Let me be a king. Look at my wonderful colors, said the beautiful parakeet. No, no, said the manna. I can speak and talk to the other animals. I should be a king. And I have a fantastic beak, said the toucan. I want to be a bird king. I know, said the macaw. Why don't we have a competition? The bird who can fly the highest will be the bird king. Everyone liked the idea, especially the eagle. Make me king now, he said. I am the strongest and can fly the highest. Said a little voice, but you might not win. Ha ha, laughed the eagle. You can't beat me, little sparrow. We'll see, said the sparrow. The race began, and all the birds flew high into the sky. They flew higher and higher. Eagle flew the highest. Ha! I told you, squawked the eagle. I am the king. But the sparrow was hiding under the eagle's wing. Suddenly, he flew higher than the eagle's head. The sparrow was the highest bird of all. He won the competition, and the sparrow was the new bird king. He won the competition, and the sparrow was the new bird king.